Hey guys, so Walmart has done it again. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Treasure Takara. I'm coming here to bring you some new home decor and furniture that will brighten up your home. Okay, so I want to start off here with the Better Homes and Gardens 66-inch modern home farmhouse bookcase storage cabinet. Okay, so it has a gray finish. When I say I really love this, like I was really attracted to how it has the sliding doors. Like I have never seen that on a storage cabinet before. Okay, I thought that was really cool, and I really like that it has the 5 adjustable shelves, and also it has like, of course, the rusted gray finish. Okay, and so as I'm looking through this here, it is this fabulous piece here. I'm trying to see if it comes in other colors as well too. It looks like it did come in like a rustic white, but that is out of stock. But I really like how unique this is and how you can actually change how much stuff can go into the storage cabinet. I'm just really loving what Walmart is doing with this. And honestly, with the sliding door, they call it the sliding barn door, it really creates a cool, modern, versatile look. Okay, so I'm gonna go into something else here. Okay, oh, one other thing too. So that's gonna be roughly around $259, which is not too bad, honestly. And honestly, with this piece here, before I click off of it, this would be very perfect for like, I would say you can do for a living room space, okay? Or even a dining room space. So with me personally, it looks like they have the display here in roughly, looks like a living room space, which it would be fine. And honestly, I am a big fan of gray. Okay, so you know, that gray is like a neutral color to go with pretty much anything. So definitely, I would check that out. All right, so next thing I want to share with you is the Better Homes and Gardens 8-cube storage organizer. So this is a tobacco oak type of color. Okay, so they have tobacco oak. They also have charcoal, okay? And this is going out so fast now. This have roughly 4.4 stars, even with the other one, I believe it had around close to 5 stars as well too. But this 8-cube storage organizer is relatively like a low storage organizer, so it's not as high up. So if you don't have the high ceilings, which would be really good with the other thing that I just shown, this would be perfect for you, okay? So I love how they have this paired up with a picture in the background. So I honestly can put your picture frames, your family portraits on it. And honestly, with the lower compartments, you see how they have the storage bins right below that. I really love how spacious that is, so that we can fit anything pretty much underneath here. As you can see, you can fit blankets, you can fit books and stuff like that. Honestly, you can even fit maybe a couple of iPads or tablets as well too. And honestly, you can dress it up, you know, with some other home decor items, which would be fine. And honestly, it comes in a variety of colors. It comes with in light honey, I already said charcoal. They have acorn. They also have white. Okay, and honestly, with this here, you know, I'm a big fan of the grays. Honestly, I like the gray for some reason. I really do. With this here, it can actually support up to 100 pounds. So you can have pretty heavy home decor or vases or whatever on it if you absolutely need to, or if you really want to put something else up here, you can. I don't know, you can probably put like a TV up there as well too, but honestly, I would just stick to like the home decor type stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go into this is one of the bestseller items. This is actually on clearance. Okay, so this is the Uhomepro TV stand for TVs up to 70-inch. Okay, so this is for living room. Of course, living room, or if you have a master bedroom, this would be very, very fabulous for that. So it has the LED storage, okay? I'm bringing back the LED light stuff, okay? This is so cool. So it has the storage shelves, right below. And as I'm looking through it, it comes in like different colors. Honestly, it comes with the black, and then it comes in this cool, nice white color. Now the white color is a lot cheaper, so I see that is $99. So it ranges from $99 to roughly $169. It depends on the type of style or the type of kind that you get. So this has roughly 4.2 stars. So I do like that it has the anti-scratch surface, and it has the LED light, so it creates a cool movie-like atmosphere, like as if you're at your own home movie theater. Okay, and it looks like it doesn't take too much to actually assemble, so it has easily assembly. And if you are having a hard time putting it together, they do have customer service available as well too. All right, so I'm just really loving the way that this looks. It looks so futuristic to me. It really do. I mean, I can't lie, it looks really futuristic. I'm really loving the color. I'm really loving that white. The white, in my opinion, is set it off. If you have small children, honestly, I would get the black, but the white, if you have adult children, or if you just have your own place or whatever, white would be so nice. It will set it off, okay? I'm not playing. All right, so I'm gonna go into the next thing here. So we do have, this is for the kiddies, honestly. We have your kids zone sliding bin organizer with 4 storage bins. Honestly, I might actually get this myself. This is going for $58. Honestly, it has almost 5-star reviews. Now this has 4.7 stars. And honestly, they had other ones available in different colors. They had one with the white on top and pink on the bottom, and then they had the one with the white on top and blue at the bottom. And I like the little color schemes as well too. It would be very good for perfect for organization. But right now, as of today, you have it for in white for only $58. Okay, so these are removable tray bins. So say for example, if you have a toddler or even an older children, let's say around 12, 13 years old or anything like that, it'll make it a lot easier for them to keep everything organized. So whether it's underwears, whether it's toys, whether it's like, if I know one of my kids are into like, practicing doing nails and stuff like that too, girl things or whatever. Or if they have like collectible stuff like Pokemon cards or whatever, they will be able to put their stuff in there and they don't have to have it all everywhere. Especially like my youngest daughter, she actually loves LOL dolls and stuff like that. So she can actually put like her LOL stuff in there as well too. Just keep it organized, because I don't like to have crazy messy houses. It drives me crazy, but this is actually really good. Okay, so these bins are very sturdy. I'm really loving what Walmart is doing here again. All right, so let's keep going to the next one. This is the last thing here. Okay, so now we have the HOmmal farmhouse TV stand with rustic barn, 2-door TV cabinet for TVs up to 65 inch. So you can't have this the TV that's like 70 inches. It has to be like 65 inches. Okay, so this comes in a variety of colors. So we have only 3 colors, honestly. We have rustic brown, then we have oak, and then we have, of course, the gray wash. Okay, for this here, honestly, I know I love the gray, but I'm going to have to go with the oak. Only because, I don't know, it's just, I'm going to have to go with the oak. I am. Oh, no, actually, you know what? I'm going to have to go with the rustic brown, because I think that really looks really good paired up next to, like, maybe a white or a gray wall. I don't know. It's something about that rustic brown that just brings, like, a classic look to it. I don't know. It really does. And honestly, it just looks so cute, well put together. And I love how they have the display here. Okay, so the material of this TV stand is wood. Okay, so as I'm looking through a couple other things here, okay, I'm just trying to see what else can I mention. Oh yeah, okay, so now it has the weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. So if you do have multiple things either on or inside of it, it will be able to support that weight. So you don't have to worry about that. And honestly, when you get this, right, something that is very good is that it will all arrive in one box. Like there will not be multiple pieces added to this. Okay, and if you like what you see, the link is actually in the description for all the products I mentioned for today. Okay, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just really like the way it looks. Oh, and of course the storage. Okay, I forgot to mention this. Okay, so it looks like it has at least 4 different storage compartments here. So you see the little open in the middle, and then you have the 2 cabinets. So this is really good for if you want to keep, I'm sorry, I'm old school. If you want to keep your DVDs or on one side and put the iPads and stuff on the other side, you can do that. Or even if you have a PS5, if you like to play that as well too, or any other entertainment sound system, I would say don't get the biggest sound bar at the very bottom, but you can possibly put like a medium sound bar in the middle. But if you do choose to use those spaces such as what I mentioned, honestly, it'll be really good for the TV. Okay, but other than that, thank you for tuning in again for today's video. It's been a pleasure talking to you. And honestly, if you're interested into knowing more stuff about more Walmart finds or possibly Valentine's Day find, please tune in to the next video. And I think that's all. All right, deuces. Tired of all them lies, it's creeping in your eyes, and I'm not surprised.